Hi everyone, again it's me, your math teacher Jello. For today's video, let's continue our discussion about operation and functions. So this time, multiplication naman ang isa-solve natin. So, paano ba tayo nagmumultiply ng dalawang functions? Quantity f times g of x is equal to f of x times g of x. So, ipag-multiply lang natin or kukunin natin yung product ng dalawang functions. So, copy ko muna to guys. So, we have quantity f times g of x is now equal to f of x times g of x. Okay, we simply substitute or plug in yung f of x natin. Yung equation nun ay 5x minus 2 over 3. Okay guys, we are in multiplication. So, ito yon. Lagyan natin ng parenthesis para hindi tayo marito. And then, yung g of x natin, which is negative 7x plus 3 over 4. So, wag kayo malilito guys. So, paano tayo nagmumultiply ng fraction sa another fraction? Diba meron tayong rule? If we have a over b times c over d, we simply multiply numerator sa numerator. A times c is ac. And then denominator sa denominator. B times d is bd. So, over bd. Okay, so, applying this, etong nasa numerator, multiply natin dito. Eto, dito. Okay? So, dito guys, gagamit tayo ng FOIL method, no? Kasi, binomials tsaka binomial. Okay? So, 5x minus 2 times negative 7x plus 3. Okay, magkaroon tayo ng side solution. We have 5x minus 2 times negative 7x plus 3. Okay, so 5x times negative 7x, the answer is negative 35x. 5x times 3 is positive 15x, right? Negative 2 times negative 7x, positive 14x. And then negative 2 times positive 3, negative 6. By combining like terms, okay, I forgot, we have exponent pala rito, okay? Sorry, nakalimutan ko. So, careful tayo guys. Once na nagkamali tayo, or nagkulang lang tayo ng exponent or ng sign, we will come up with, of course, wrong solution and then wrong answer. Okay, negative 35x squared. And then, 15x plus 14x, 29x minus 6. So guys, kapag ito, minultiply natin yung numerator sa numerator, ito yung magiging product niya. Okay? So, sulat natin ito dito. Negative 35x squared plus 29x minus 6 all over 3 times 4. The answer is 12. So, that's the answer. Okay? Kung meron kayong natutunan sa video ito, paki-like and share. Thank you for watching.